Hello and welcome everyone to the GoLang tutorial series. If you haven't subscribed the channel yet, please subscribe Tech World with G. So let's begin with tutorial. Today we'll be setting up our Visual Studio Code. To install Visual Studio Code, you can use the two methods. One of them is using the URL code.visualstudio.com/download. You can download the Visual Studio Code for your Windows, your Linux as well as Mac. Okay, there is another way from which you can download it on Windows. So for that, you have to go to your Microsoft Store and type in VS. As soon as you hit VS, you can see the Visual Studio Code over here. You can go to the Visual Studio Code and click on install. For us, we have already installed the Visual Studio Code. That's why it is showing the installed. Let us just open Visual Studio Code. Once you open it, you have to install a extension. Click on extension and search for Go, and you will get an extension named Go, and it is developed by Go team at Google or go.dev URL. So you can just click on install and it is ready to go. You can just restart your Visual Studio Code in order to take the changes in effect. Okay, now second thing, you can open your workspace or open a folder for practicing. I will be opening a folder and then will select a folder that I have pre-created in my system for GoLang programming. Just click on select folder. The folder would open and now it is ready for creating files and folder and working on your Go program. Thanks for watching. Please like the video and put your queries in the comment section below. If you haven't subscribed the channel yet, please subscribe Tech World with G to follow with the latest videos. Thank you.